everyone, Lyndon Poskitt here from Races to Places, and I'm here today with some exciting news. Lots of people have been asking me what I'm planning to do next, and since the circumnavigation of the globe was completed on Basel bike this year, I've been asking myself the same question. Since the Dakar 2018 video project was such a success, I've been thinking about how I can do another racing project with a video series associated with it, but something completely different, something my fans and followers can get involved with. I can bring them more on a daily basis, and it's a different project to anything I've done before. In 1978, the year I was born in fact, the Dakar Rally began, a cross-country race from Paris, France to Dakar, Senegal, Africa. It's a race that I watched on the television in my early years, and it's the race that inspired me to get into motorcycling. But not just motorcycling, adventure riding, long-distance rally racing. And it's a race that I still want to achieve, to race from Europe to Africa and stand on the podium in Dakar, just like my heroes did back in the day. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to do the Africa Eco Race in January 2020 and race from Europe to Africa over there and hope to stand on the podium in Dakar. So how to make it different? How to make it something new? Well, travelling around the world on Races to Places, I raced in 8 international cross-country races, at least one on each of the 6 continents that I crossed. I met some fantastic like-minded people and racers like myself. And to that end, I've decided not to do this one alone. I've decided to take a team of riders that I've raced with on Races to Places around the world, and we're going to race to Dakar together. I can't wait to introduce you to the team, but that'll come in a following video. So now let's talk about the media side of things. Of course I want to achieve another fantastic video series. I want it to be fun, informative, full of facts and information that you typically don't get to see on the mainstream. I'm planning on this being twice the duration of my Dakar 2018 series. That's twice as much content daily to you, the viewer. I'm working really hard with the organisation to secure the media rights, the satellite transmission time, off-board footage to really boost the content. Now all of this can't be achieved with just one media guy. You'll be pleased to know that Dario's joining us, but this time he'll have additional resource. We'll have a small media team on site to collate all the information and get it out to you guys as quickly as possible. But that all comes at a cost, and that's where we need your help. Team Races to Places is not just about the riders racing to Dakar, it's about you as well, the viewers, the fans, the followers, people watching the media that we create on a daily basis. The input from you we get is important to improve it and make it better. You're part of the team. While the cost of racing is covered by the riders themselves and existing sponsors, the media project is a huge cost, and that's where I'm calling on help from you guys. That's what this Kickstarter program is about, and we have various levels of packages available where you can get involved and support it to make it possible. We want you to be wearing our t-shirts, jackets, sticking our stickers and shouting about this project to the world. Without your help, it's not possible. We only have a short amount of time to pull this off, but with your help, we can achieve something massive. Let's do this, people. This is our race to Dakar.